Hello and welcome. They call me the book alchemist, and my job is to take the dense text of a book like MJ DeMarco's The Millionaire Fastlane and transmute it into pure actionable gold for you. We're about to decode the exact roadmap to get you off the treadmill and onto the path of real wealth. Let's get started. Right out of the gate, DeMarco just blows up this whole myth of overnight success. See, we're all looking for that big event, the lottery win, the viral video, the lucky break. But he's telling us flat out, that's not how it works. Wealth is a process. It's a grind. It's a series of actions you take day in and day out. If you try to skip that process, well, you're never going to see the event, period. So here is our alchemical formula, our roadmap for this journey. We're going to start with the foundation, which is all about your mindset. Then we'll hit the choice, a critical fork in the road. After that, we'll lay out the blueprint, the rules of the road, and build the engine that's going to power this thing. And of course, we need a strategy for the journey, and most importantly, the driver, which, spoiler alert, is you. Okay, let's start at the very beginning, the absolute core of all of this. Before a single dollar is made, before any business is launched, a change has to happen right here, in your mind. We have to transmute your financial mindset, because true wealth isn't built on what you do. It's built on how you think about it. From the moment we're born, society is training us to be on team consumer. We're conditioned to want things, to buy things, to consume. The fast lane demands that you completely rebel against that. You have to flip a switch in your brain and go from being a consumer to being a producer. You have to stop asking, what can I get, and start asking, what can I give? This is the producer mindset. It is the absolute non-negotiable price of admission. All right, once you've adopted that producer mindset, you arrive at this massive fork in the road. DeMarco says every single one of us is on one of three financial roadmaps, whether we realize it or not. So let's shine a light on them so you can stop drifting and actually choose your destination. First up, we've got the sidewalk. You know this person. The sidewalker lives for the weekend, for that next paycheck. Any money that comes in goes right back out on car payments, dinners, gadgets. They're trapped by their lifestyle, and it's always someone else's fault. The government, their boss, the economy. They want to look rich, but they have no interest in doing the hard work to actually be rich. And then there's the slow lane. Now, this is the path society tells us is the smart one. Get a good job, max out your 401k, save a little, and maybe, just maybe, when you're 65, you'll be wealthy. But here's the trap DeMarco points out. You're trading your most precious, non-renewable asset, your time, your youth, your freedom, for dollars. It's a 40-year gamble for a payoff that's never guaranteed. And that brings us to the fast lane. This is the producer's path. This is the entrepreneur's path. Fast laners don't see time as something to be traded for money. No way. They build systems, they build businesses that work for them, creating value for lots of people and generating wealth exponentially, not just hour by hour. This chart right here really puts it all into perspective. Just look at that wealth equation row. The sidewalker is always at zero. The slow laner's wealth is shackled to their job and the stock market. But look at the fast laner. Their equation is completely different. It's a business system plus leverage. It's not about working more hours. It's about creating an asset that you control, an asset that can work for you 24/7. So you're sold. You want to get on the fast lane. Fantastic. But you can't just floor it. This road has laws, it has rules of physics. And DeMarco lays out 5 non-negotiable commandments that your business absolutely must follow if you want any chance of success. Let's look at that blueprint. And to make it easy to remember, he gives us this killer little acronym, SENSE. This isn't just a clever name, it's a powerful filter. You should run every single business idea you have through this SENSE framework. If it doesn't pass, you toss it. Let's run through these real quick. Control. You're the one in the driver's seat, not some franchise or affiliate program that can change the rules on you. Entry. There has to be a barrier. If your grandma can start the same business in an afternoon, there's no money in it. Need. This is huge. Your business has to solve a real problem for people. The world does not care about your passions. It cares about its problems. Time. Your business has to be able to make money while you're on vacation, while you're sick, while you're sleeping. And finally, scale. It has to have the potential to impact not just your neighborhood, but the world. All right, we've got the blueprint. Now it's time to build the engine. We need to look at the actual types of systems, what DeMarco brilliantly calls money trees, that can actually power this vehicle down the fast lane. These are the seedlings for your money trees. You create a software app once, and it can be downloaded and used by millions of people.
You write a book or create a course one time and it can sell for years, generating income while you sleep. An e-commerce store is a system that takes orders and payments 24/7 without you. See the pattern? These are not jobs. They are automated assets.
So you've got the perfect idea for a money tree, and you've got the sense blueprint, but that's not enough. You can have the fastest car in the world, but if you don't know how to drive or where you're going, you're going to end up in a ditch. This is where strategy comes in. This is about execution. So let me ask you a question, and really think about this for a second. What's actually more valuable, having a brilliant one-in-a-million idea or just flawlessly executing on a pretty good idea? DeMarco's answer is crystal clear. It's not even a contest. Ideas are cheap. They're a dime a dozen. Everybody has them. Execution is the only thing that matters. The world doesn't pay you for your ideas. It pays you for what you build, for what you deliver. That's it. And a huge part of great execution is building a real brand. The core of that brand is your unique selling proposition, or USP. You have to be able to answer one simple question from the customer's point of view. With all the choices I have, why on earth should I buy from you? If you can't answer that clearly and compellingly, you're just another commodity, and you'll get crushed. All right, we have covered so much ground. The mindset, the 3 roadmaps, the 5 commandments, the money tree engines, the strategy. But none of it, absolutely none of it matters without this final crucial piece. Because the vehicle that travels the fast lane, well, that vehicle is you. After all this talk about building external systems, software, and businesses, DeMarco brings it all home with one profound truth. The most important, most complex, and most powerful system you will ever work on is you. Your business will only ever be as strong as you are. Your success is a direct reflection of your own personal growth. So what are the necessary internal upgrades? First, you have to become financially literate. You've got to learn to speak the language of money. Second, you need radical, extreme accountability. No more excuses. You own your failures just as much as your successes. And finally, you have to commit to lifelong learning. The day you graduated was just the start. Your knowledge is the fuel for this entire journey. And so when you strip everything else away, it all comes down to this one fundamental choice. It's a choice you make every single day. Are you on the left side of this chart, or are you on the right? Are you a consumer, or are you a producer? That is the question at the very heart of the Millionaire Fastlane. We've decoded the formula. The roadmap is right there in front of you. The only variable left in the equation is your action. So the question is no longer, what should I know? The real question, the only question that matters now, is what will you produce today?